Hello you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an easy roasted chicken spatchcock and veggies. This recipe is so good and easy to make. You guys have to make it, and that wasn't a request. It's really good. Don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoy it. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start with 4 pounds of whole chicken, and we're going to spatchcock the chicken, which means we're going to flatten out the chicken to cook faster. To do this, you're going to start by identifying the spine of your chicken. Once you've located the spine, you're going to use a scissors to cut it out. So you want to cut the bird from the front towards the back, and make sure you keep the scissors right along the backbone. You're going to cut the spine on both sides, so once you're done cutting along the right side, move over to the left side and start cutting. Once the spine is out, you can just keep it in the fridge to make chicken stock in the future. Next, you're going to open up your chicken, and there's a cartilage right there in the middle. You're going to locate it and use a knife to cut through it. This is going to help your chicken open up even wider. Turn your chicken over, and you want it to look nice and flat, just like this. Go ahead and tuck the wings under, and we're going to season under the skin of the bird, so go ahead and use your fingers to separate the skin. You're going to separate the skin on the chest area as well as the skin on the leg area. Once you're done separating your bird, go ahead and set it aside. Then we're going to put together the seasoning. In my bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Into that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then we're going to add 1 whole lemon. Start by zesting in the lemon. This is going to add a citrus flavor to the recipe. Once you're done adding the zest, you're going to cut up the lemon and add the lemon juice. Since the Dijon mustard and the lemon juice are very acidic, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar to cut down the acidity. We're also adding some spices. I have 2 teaspoons each of garlic and onion powder, paprika, basil, rosemary, and thyme. Go ahead and add those right in. Season with 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Go ahead and mix it together until everything is very well incorporated. And then you're going to use half of your spice mixture to season your chicken, and the other half we will use to season the veggies. Put some of the spice mixture under the skin and spread it out so it can get everywhere. Season the chest area as well as the leg area. Next, turn over the bird and season the inside. Close it up, that way the seasonings on the inside doesn't get on the board. Then you're going to turn it over again and season the skin. Once we are done seasoning the chicken, we're going to set it aside. Then we're going to start working on the veggies. I went ahead and cut up some gold potatoes. Potatoes take a longer time to bake, so make sure you cut them into small, sizable cubes like these. I also cut up some carrots, and I sliced Brussels sprouts into halves. I'm going to dump my veggies onto a large baking pan, and I'm going to season them with the rest of my spice mixture. Toss everything together. Make sure the mixture gets on every single vegetable. Once everything is mixed together, you're going to make space in the middle for the spatchcock chicken. Place the spatchcock chicken right there in the middle. Make sure you open it up, let it lay flat like that. Then it's time to get roasting. You're going to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and roast your chicken and veggies for 45 minutes. And here we are after 45 minutes. It smells so good. Make sure you check your chicken for internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit because that is the safest temperature for cooked chicken. Alright you guys, it is time to dig in. The chicken is so tender and juicy. Look at how easy it is to cut through. It is so juicy you guys. Look at all that juice. This is how you know your chicken is going to melt in your mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and make me a plate, and you'll also get a lot of juice from the bottom of your pan. This is such an amazing recipe. It's so easy to make, perfect weeknight dinner, and it's insanely delicious. You guys should try it. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.